Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Christmas video. I hope the background is getting you in the Christmas spirit. A lot of you have been commenting on my tree. You saw it in my last video. I will be making a video about this tree and a few other tree decorating videos, so don't you worry. And I still even have my ladder out because I'm putting the final touches on this tree. I feel like it might take me another week or two to get it just right, so that's why I started early. A lot of you said you wait until the day after Thanksgiving, and I will be decorating until Christmas if I wait that long. But anyways, today's video is actually a holiday Christmas Q&A. I'm doing this in collaboration with my friend Shawn from the channel Hearth and Soul. If you guys don't know him, just click out of my video and go over to his channel. He's so funny. And I kind of think he's like the king of candles here on YouTube. He does tons of reviews, hauls, and other things. So you definitely want to go check him out. We've kind of collaborated like this in the past, so you've definitely heard me talk about him here on my channel before, and I will leave him linked down below. And if anybody else would like to participate in this tag, please feel free. It is an open invite. And if you're a viewer, you don't make videos, you can still participate by leaving your answers in the comment section of my video. Feel free to answer 1, 2, all of them, none of them, whatever you're comfortable with. They'll be in the description box below. So there are 20 questions, so definitely grab a meal, because I have a feeling this is going to be a long video. Half the questions are mine, half are Shawn's, and I don't even remember whose are whose at this point, so it doesn't matter anyways. But let's just start off with question number 1, which is, when do you start Christmas decorating? Well, clearly I've already decked the halls here. Actually, this is the only Christmas thing that I have up right now. Well, I guess I have a few other little things that I'm just testing out. Last year I decorated on the 6th of November. The year before that, the past 2 years before that, I would decorate on the 11th as my birthday gift to myself. But this year I started yesterday, which is November 3rd. Question number 2 is, what is your Christmas decor style? See Exhibit A. It changes every year, but the kind of one constant in my Christmas style is that I want it to be cozy. Even if I go all the way glam, which I have before, I still want it to feel cozy, because that's just kind of like what Christmas is all about, just those cozy, warm feels. And I mean, it's more than just that, but you know what I mean. Question number 3 is, do you host Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, New Year's Day, New Year's Eve? I never have before, but I think my parents are giving me Christmas Day this year, so that's another reason why I wanted to start early. I want my house to be perfect when my family gets here, so yeah, I will be this year, but I never have before. Question number 4 is, have you ever had a white Christmas? Yes, I live in Ohio. We have snow like 5 months out of the year. And I'm trying to think if we had a white Christmas last year. I can't remember, but I know 2 years ago when we got Chip the day after Christmas, it was a white Christmas, but it was 70 degrees that day. So it had snowed like 2 days before, and then it was 70 degrees when we drove down to Cincinnati to pick Chip up. So the snow was all melting. But yes, I have had a white Christmas, and I love it. It just feels like a movie or something. Question number 5 is, can you name the 7 reindeer? If I sang the song, maybe, but I'm pretty sure I mumble the lyrics.
You know, Dasher and Dancer and...
I'm not even gonna, no, I can't. Question number 6 is, how many Christmas trees do you have? This is my 3rd one. I'm going to have 1 other in this room and then 1 in my dining room for a total of 3. Question number 7 is, do you decorate outside and inside? Obviously, I decorate inside. I never have really decorated outside because for the past like 5 years I was in an apartment, and before that I was at the nest, my parents' nest. I think I might have done like a couple little things outside, but no. I am going to this year though, now that we have a front yard. Question number 8 is gift wrap or gift bags. And I hate wrapping presents, but I love making them look pretty. I love coordinating wrapping paper and toppers and bows and ribbon, but the actual wrapping I hate. So I do like gift bags, but I'm very picky about them. So I mean, let's just be real, gift bags I think are everybody's favorite, but I do actually enjoy like the decorating of gifts. Like I will even pull out the hot glue gun when it comes to wrapping presents. So I take it kind of seriously, but like I said, I just don't like the actual wrapping part. Number 9 is, do you buy Christmas decor every year? Yes, I do, or I have at least, but keep in mind I've only been building my collection for maybe 5 years, like my own personal collection. And it is a tradition with Jose and I that he gets me a few special ornaments each year that I get to pick out that are really nice. Usually we go to a boutique and pick them out. So yeah, we do get new Christmas decor each year, but I do need to kind of slow my roll. Hopefully next year I'll still want this theme because that ain't cheap, you guys. I mean, everything is affordable, but when you buy so much, it's like that tab is not small. Question number 10, do you use a star, angel, or something else as a tree topper? So I've never had a proper star before. I've just never really found one that I love. And each year we go and look, and we're not really willing to splurge on one. And the ones that I normally see at like home or at like Walmart, I don't like them. So I've used like a Dollar Tree star before. And then this year I bought the prettiest tree topper from Big Lots, which was a snowflake. And so this tree here is 9 feet tall. I think my ceilings are 12 feet tall at the highest point, but my tree is at the lowest part of the ceiling. I'm gonna shift you guys up. And I can't fit my tree topper up there without moving my tree over to the other side, which we don't want to do. So this year I'll show you again, just putting picks up there. And I'm not quite satisfied with that, so maybe a ribbon or something up there as well. I'm still working on it. Question number 11 is favorite Christmas carol. I actually prefer the Christmas hymns, like Jingle Bells and stuff. That's fun. I like those songs, but I love Old Holy Night and just the ones that are like really about Christmas. Not because I'm like holier than thou, no pun intended, but just because that's what my parents would play all the time, like on a CD when we were kids and it was Christmas time, so that's what I like. Question number 12 is favorite holiday movie. Christmas Vacation, probably. I think like for a few years we kind of made that a tradition, but I actually have a big age gap between me and my youngest brother and my 2 oldest brothers. I have 3 brothers, and my 2 oldest brothers are like 10 years older than us. So like some traditions kind of like faded out when they would get too old because they're so much older than us, but we did watch that. Favorite holiday tradition, I have a few. One that we've always done is my parents get to open their gifts from the kids on Christmas Eve, and I'm always so excited to give them their gift. So I've always loved that tradition because they get to open early. Another one, when we were younger, my parents would hide a pickle ornament on the tree, and as kids we would have to find it, and whoever found it first got to open the first present. And then I really like the tradition where Jose buys me a new ornament every year, and I pick whatever one I want. So that's really fun. And I'm gonna have like a really awesome collection of beautiful ornaments. So I'm excited to like keep that tradition alive. Question number 14 is eggnog ? No! ! Actually, I don't dislike it that much, but when I think about how people add alcohol to it, it makes me sick to my stomach. Like I could never drink eggnog with alcohol in it. That just is disgusting to me, and just eggnog's weird, but I kind of like it, but not really. not really. Question number 15 is fruitcake ? And I've never had it, so I'm not sure, but I like fruit and I like cake, so I would imagine yes. Question number 16 is favorite fragrance around the holidays. I could not read my own handwriting. In my defense, I tried to film this yesterday and I had a migraine, and like I had to refilm because 1, I looked dead in the video, and 2, the sound quality was like non-existent because I kept brushing up against my microphone, so hopefully the sound on this one turns out. But I was anyways, that's why my handwriting is so bad. But my favorite fragrance around the holidays, I don't love like winter fragrances as much as I love fall, so it's hard to say, but I really love a champagne scent during the holidays. I think it's like a really nice change of pace when you've been burning like the really heavy, sweet candles all fall long. I also like Marshmallow Fireside. I don't see that as a fall candle. I see it more as like a winter candle. And last year I love Smoked Birch from Bath and Body Works. I bought a couple of those. Trying to think what else. Just like the actual scent of cookies baking is like the best thing ever. My mom baking cookies is, they need to bottle that up and make that into a candle. So those are my favorite holiday fragrances. Question number 17 is, what age were you when you stopped believing in Santa? And I haven't stopped believing, so that age is yet to be determined. Question number 18 is real tree or artificial. I have 3 artificial trees just because I'm not prepared for the maintenance of a real tree. And yeah, but maybe one day when I have kids, I will want to get a real tree. I know that I will. I'll want to take them to a Christmas tree farm and give them that experience, because that is one of the sweetest memories that I have from, you know, being younger, is going to the tree farm with my family. So, but for now, I love artificial trees, and a lot of you have been asking about this one. It's from Big Lots. It's flocked and pre-lit, and I'll leave it linked below in case you're interested. Question number 19 is white or colored lights. White lights on the tree, colored lights for fun. I just hung those up. I was wearing them, but you couldn't see it because they were dipping too low. When I was younger, I wanted nothing more than for my parents to put colored lights on the tree, but they wouldn't. They are very like traditional and elegant kind of style, and I wanted like fun, you know, whatever. But it's funny because now I would never have colored lights on my tree. Like at this stage, maybe if I had kids I would, but it's funny because they say you turn into your parents, and that is definitely true. Question number 20 is, how long do you keep your decorations up after the holiday? And I like to keep them up for at least like through the first week of January. I get so sad when they come down. And like last year, I remember talking about it in my videos, like still like a few weeks after Christmas, talking about how I was sad it was over. And yeah, so I like to at least enjoy it for a week or so after Christmas ends. And it just like, as soon as I take down the Christmas decor, I'm thinking about fall decor going back up, and I like obsess over it and I start planning for the next year. So I don't even want to think about it. I feel like the season is going by so fast, and I just love every second of it. And I really just don't even want to think about taking my decorations down when I just put them up. So those are all 20 questions, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed hearing my answers. If you would like to participate, please do, and leave a comment below letting me know that you're going to, in case by chance I'm not subscribed to your channel, so I can subscribe so I get the notification when you upload. I'm going to be filming another video in this spot and set up an outfit, so you'll see me like this again. Hopefully you don't mind. I mean, this is better than I've looked in some of my videos. We all know that to be true. So thank you for spending a little bit of time with me today and for listening to me ramble. Make sure you go check out Shawn from the channel Hearth and Soul. He is definitely one of my favorite candle reviewers, so you need to go subscribe to him. He will be linked down below, and I will see you guys back in a future video. Bye, guys.